What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we're in beautiful Mallorca, and we just came back from a really nice shoot, which I will show you in a video in the future. But today I want to talk about another request from you guys. You've absolutely been going crazy on Travis Scott, so here's another Travis Scott video. You've been requesting this look right here so much on my Instagram DMs, and actually I thought it was too hard to pull off because it looks really high quality. It just has that really nice teal, desaturated, soft, low contrast look. But I took the challenge and I finally figured out how to recreate this look for you guys. You only need your smartphone and the free Lightroom app as always. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that every time I create a new preset, a new video, the preset is automatically updated to that all presets pack. So to all of you who have the all presets pack already, this preset today is also in your pack. And to the rest of you, you just have to buy it once and you will be getting new presets on a weekly basis. Now I've talked enough about that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell if you like these videos and don't want to miss out on any of my future tutorials. And of course, if there's anything you need from me or you have any new requests for new videos that I could do, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. So what we're going to do is open our picture in the free Lightroom app. Now I've chosen this one right here of Lil Baby because it comes super close to the Travis Scott setting. There's a white background, he's wearing dark clothing, and to me it looks like it's shot on a mobile phone. So this is the perfect base. Now the first thing you want to do is just pull down the exposure a little bit to negative 0.45 right here. The contrast, we want to pull that down as well to negative 25, and the highlights also down all the way to negative 74. The shadows we want to boost up to +6, and the whites we want to pull down to negative 46 or 45 right here. The blacks we want to pull down all the way to negative 49, and then we scroll up and go to curve on the upper right side, and here you can see this curve right here. It's just a pretty basic S curve. You can screenshot it, and I want you to copy this curve exactly as it is. So create that smooth S curve, and on the upper right side, the highlights, you just want to pull that down a little bit, and then we are done here. Now we go over to the color, and we just want to pull up the temperature a little to around +12 right here, and the tint down to negative 5. And then the saturation, we want to pull that down all the way to negative 35 right here. And that's it for the color. Now we go to the effects tab, and here I want you to pull down the clarity a little bit to negative 19 just to make it a little softer. Then also dehaze, we want to pull that down to negative 19 to add some haze. And of course we want some grain because we want to make it look slightly vintage, so we push that up to 17 right there. And then we scroll up and hit split toning. And now this is where that final characteristic comes in. So for the highlights, we want to pull over to a hue of around 195 to that aqua area, and a saturation of around 44 right here. So it's 193 and 44, and you can already see what's happening, already come super close. Now the shadows, we want to pull them over to a hue of around 10, and a saturation of 17 is good. So it's 14, 17, that works as well, and then we're done here. And that's it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that real Travis Scott look. I myself, I'm really amazed by this look. I wouldn't have thought that we'd come as close as we did. I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. And once again, I want to make sure I'm not taking time off. We're here in Mallorca, and I'm still doing this video for you guys because you guys just motivate me so much. So thank you so much for doing that for me. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look if you don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And once you have the all presets pack, there will be new presets. Every time I bring new presets, they will be automatically updated to your pack. You don't have to buy it again or anything. buy it once and get new presets on a weekly basis. I think that's unique. It's a cool deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do that now and hit the notifications bell. This community is growing. Thank you so much. We're over 90,000 subscribers now. This means so much to me. And of course, you'll not miss any of my future tutorials if you subscribe now. If there's anything else you need from me, any questions that you have, I said in the beginning, just feel free to DM me on Instagram. It might take a while until I reply because it's been so many DMs, but I will definitely get there. So feel free to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay creative, stay healthy, peace.